Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a follow-up sequence with Pipedrive detailed guide step by step clearly. To create a follow-up sequence with Pipedrive, start by logging into your Pipedrive account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Activities tab on the main menu. Click on Add Activity to create a new follow-up task. Here, you can choose the type of activity, such as a call, email, or meeting. Select the appropriate type based on your follow-up needs. Next, fill in the details of the activity, including the subject and description. Set the due date and time for your follow-up activity to ensure timely execution. You can also assign the activity to a specific person in your team if necessary. After entering all details, click Save to create your follow-up activity. To automate these follow-ups, go to the Automation section in the Settings menu. Click on Create Workflow to start building your automation. You will need to select a trigger for your workflow, such as when a deal reaches a certain stage. Next, choose the actions that Pipedrive should take once the trigger occurs. You can add multiple follow-up activities as actions within the workflow. Make sure to customize each activity's details to maintain relevance with the contact. Save your workflow once you are done setting up your follow-up sequence. To test your sequence, create a dummy deal and move it through the stages. Check whether your follow-up activities are triggered as expected. Adjust any settings if the follow-up sequence does not work as planned. Finally, monitor your follow-ups regularly to ensure they are effective and timely. This process will help you maintain consistent communication with your leads and customers. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.